Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that promises to deliver high-performance eyeshadow with a luxurious twist. Today, I'm reviewing the Estée Lauder The Essential Eyeshadow Quad, a palette that claims to shape, sculpt, and magnify your eyes with its matte shades. With its sleek packaging and promise of long-lasting wear, does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. This quad features 4 shades: a pale cream, soft beige, warm camel brown, and a rich brown, all in a matte finish. Each one is designed to be buildable, so you can easily create a range of looks, from soft, everyday eye makeup to something a bit more dramatic for the evening. The matte formula is touted to be long-wearing, which is always a plus for those who are looking for eyeshadows that can last through the day without fading or creasing. In terms of texture, the powder is smooth and finely milled, making it easy to apply and blend. The formula feels velvety, which is a sign of high-quality ingredients often seen in Estée Lauder products. I was impressed with how well the colors built up on my eyelids without becoming patchy, which is a common issue with some matte formulas. I've tested this quad on multiple occasions, both in the morning when I'm rushing to get ready, and in the evening for a more defined look. The shadows applied effortlessly, and I didn't need to apply a primer for decent wear. However, for those with oily eyelids, I'd suggest using a primer to get the maximum longevity out of the colors. That being said, I didn't experience any major creasing or fading, which is a huge plus when you're wearing makeup all day. The creamy beige and camel shades were perfect for creating a subtle everyday look, while the deeper brown shades allowed for more depth and definition. Overall, the palette delivered the versatility it promises, giving me everything I needed to create multiple looks from a single quad. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro is the high-quality formula. It blends well, stays on without fading, and doesn't feel dry on the eyelids, which is often a concern with matte eyeshadows. The range of colors is another plus. It's a neutral palette, but it covers the basics for contouring and defining the eyes. The compact design is also a win, as it's easy to carry around and perfect for travel. On the downside, the palette doesn't offer any shimmer or sparkle, which could be a limitation for those who prefer a more radiant look. Also, while it's a great everyday palette, it may not have enough variety in terms of bold or vibrant colors for someone looking to experiment with different eye makeup styles. When it comes to value for money, this quad sits at a higher price point, but you're paying for the brand and quality. Estée Lauder is known for delivering premium products, and the performance here reflects that. If you're someone who likes to invest in staple beauty items that can be used daily, this palette is certainly worth considering. As far as comparisons go, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Maybelline Expert Wear eyeshadow quads offer similar shades and a comparable matte finish. However, the texture and longevity may not quite match Estée Lauder's, so you'd be sacrificing a little in terms of wear time and quality. The build quality of the palette is solid, with a compact, durable case that keeps the shadows safe during travel. The mirror inside is a great addition for on-the-go touch-ups. I also love the fact that the shadows don't break easily, which is a common issue with some powder eyeshadows. Customer support is something I've never had to test directly with Estée Lauder, but the brand has a strong reputation for responding to inquiries and addressing any issues promptly, which is always reassuring. For those on a tighter budget or those looking for alternatives, the L'Oréal Paris Color Rich Monos offer some similar shades and perform decently well for a fraction of the price. But again, you may miss out on the long-lasting wear and premium feel that Estée Lauder provides. All in all, Estée Lauder's The Essential Eyeshadow Quad is a solid investment for those looking for a high-quality neutral eyeshadow palette. It's easy to use, long-lasting, and versatile, making it ideal for everyday looks. If you prefer more bold and vibrant shades, this may not be your perfect match. But if neutral is your go-to, this palette definitely delivers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.